Today is March 3rd, and on your calendars, you might notice that it is World Hearing Day, which is something that the American Academy of Audiology wants us to pay more attention to.
Yeah, so 1 in 8 people in the United States suffer from hearing loss, which includes young people. And the CDC is now reporting that over 10% of younger Americans have permanent damage to their hearing, because many of them are exposed to extremely loud noise like music. Now, an audiologist who we spoke with says you're never too young to lose your hearing, and it's really important that parents do take the right precautions with their children.
15 minutes can be enough in an environment of 100 decibel, which is often the norm for outdoor music and live events. So try not to go too often. If you go, make sure that they wear hearing protection. The smaller they are, the bigger they should be, so you're sure they fit well. So earmuffs would be the way to go. As they become more older, more adolescent, you can go into earplugs.